Welcome to a new TURCK video tutorial. Today we want to show you how to install and to integrate the new function block for the RFID U data interface. The package that needs to be installed depends on the device that you are using. If you're working with the TBEN-S, then the function block is part of a separate package, and if you're using the TBEN-L with Codesys, then the function blocks are already part of the package that you need for Codesys. The installation process of both packages is the same and can be started in the package manager of Codesys. After clicking on the install button, you have to choose the directory where the package is stored on your hard drive. By clicking on open, you can customize your installation. After choosing the installation setup, the installation will start and may take a few moments depending on the speed of your storage. In the end, you will get a short summary where all installed files are listed. Now, the package with the function blocks is part of the package manager. In this chapter, we want to show you how to add the function blocks to the library of one of your Codesys projects. In the current project, you can see a demo example where we use a TX513 HMI PLC with a TBEN-S to RFID, which is configured as a Profinet slave. The function blocks can be added in the library manager of the project. Open the manager and click Add Library. Choose the following path to find the RFID function blocks: TURCK, Application, RFID, and there you have the RFID Universal Data Interface. The function blocks are part of the RFID package as well as some information and documentation. There are two different types of function blocks. The first one is for the HF and UHF compact mode, and the other one for the UHF and HF extended mode. Check the following video to see how you can create a program with the RFID function blocks. Thank you very much.